Hi, today I will talking on tips on how to create an video ads. But before I proceed, I like to talk more videos ads. It is video advertising. Video advertising encompasses online display advertisements that have video within them, but it is generally accepted that it refers to advertising that occurs before, during and or after a video stream on the internet. The advertising units used in this instance are pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll, and all of these ad units are like the traditional spot advertising you see on television, although often they are cut down to be a shorter version than their TV counterparts if they are run online. Broadcast websites such as Sky.com and ITV.com have such advertising on their sites, as do newspaper websites such as The Telegraph and The Guardian. In 2010, video ads accounted for 12.8% of all videos viewed and 1.2% of all minutes spent viewing video online. However, in July 2014, Facebook paid an estimated $400 million to acquire Liverale, a video advertising distributor which uses real-time bidding to place more than 7 billion video ads a month. Video marketing has always been an incredibly effective way to promote your business. In the years since Bulova ran the world's first TV commercial back in 1941, video marketing has become a staple of advertising. In fact, TV ads have been the most effective form of media advertising for decades. But, when the typical 30-second spot on a nationally televised program can cost upwards of $100,000, all of the benefits of TV advertising have been firmly out of reach for most small to medium businesses. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Help Digital channel to reach more people by sharing this video with friends and families, and don't forget to press the notification button to get update when we upload a new video. Finally, here is 7 tips on how to create video ads. 1. Empathize and solve their problems. Empathetic problem solving is about what you do in communication to audience. While solving a problem in the video you are creating, state a problem, then state the solution. Also explain how the product improved their life. 2. Evoke emotion. That means as a business, you want to create content that makes people feel intense but positive emotions. That's not an easy task, but you have to, since we human are emotional. 3. Benefit not features. Stop state feature, instead state the benefits that make your video ads convert and bring more potential clients to your brand or product. 4. Speak to your niche, target audience. If that is the case, you should channel your energy into satisfying your target audience. Think of ways to bond deeply with this special slice of the online audience. It is important that you focus on your target audience, because those special individuals will watch your online videos to learn more about your product. 5. Avoid waffles. Timing your video ad. Avoid turning your advertisement into a documentary. The majority of the video ads online are 30 seconds or less. Keep this optimal length. 6. Use a clear call to action, CTA. A CTA is an action you want a viewer to take after watching your video. The goal of the CTA is ultimately to have video ads viewers give you contact information or convert to a marketing qualified lead by engaging with more of your content, driving up their lead score. 7. Make it feel native. Creating an enticing native video is all about tailoring the content so it feels effortless for your intended audience to watch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Help Digital channel to reach more people by sharing this video with friends and families, and don't forget to press the notification button to get update when we upload a new video.